What is up, YouTube? Back again. We're finally back to our regular schedule of videos, or at least that's the plan moving forward. So yeah, back with another video. Today, Twitch affiliate. About that. Okay, so let's talk about Twitch affiliate and why it wasn't for me and why it probably isn't for you either, or potentially isn't for you either. Before we get started though, I do want to say, if you haven't already, hit that, smash that like button. We've got to say smash for the algorithm. Smash that like button, hit the subscribe so you don't miss any other videos, and let's get on with things. So Twitch affiliate, kind of the goal that every new Twitch streamer sets. Even I did it. We all see that target, average of 3 viewers, 50 followers, X amount of days streamed. We all aim for it. We think that that's the way we've got to go. We think that's the way your stream's going to grow. But wrong, honestly, in my opinion at least. I don't think that's the right move. I decided to walk away from it, and I'm actually glad I did. I'd say I feel I'm enjoying my streams more now. But I do want to say at the start of this video, this is what worked for me. I did my research, I looked into things, I spent the time to research about this before making a decision. So don't take my word for it. Don't see this as me saying, yo, quit Twitch affiliate, your stream will blow up, it'll grow, because mine does feel like it's growing more, but it is still very slow. It's still the same process. I just feel I have freedom. So yeah, make sure you do your own research for making a decision like this. I did it, you should do it. But yeah, bit of background. So I've streamed on and off for about 8 years. I think it was across 3 different channels in total. Different reasons for me bouncing around channels, but most recently, and I've stuck with it now, which is horizontal, or HZLG on Twitch. It's my main channel, and I reached Twitch affiliate on that about 2.5 years ago. And then about 4 or 5 months ago, I terminated my affiliate contract. But you're probably wondering why, or have the question as to why would you terminate a Twitch affiliate. So after doing my research, like I said, looking into it and being an affiliate for some time, I definitely got more into the side of like wanting to learn more about marketing and growing a stream and the business side of it. I watched people like Devin Nash, who I fully recommend you should go and watch. He's way more clued up on this stuff than I am. But from doing my own research, kind of led me to the decision that the way I was doing my stream and being tied into this Twitch affiliate contract really wasn't what I wanted to be doing, and it didn't seem like the smart decision. So the big thing with Twitch affiliate is that it's the only platform that makes you stream exclusively to them. YouTube doesn't do it, Facebook doesn't do it, Mixer didn't even do it while it lasted, rest in peace. But back then, when I started and when Twitch affiliate first came around, it wasn't really a huge issue. Twitch was only the major platform. YouTube was there, but it was video-based. Streaming wasn't really a thing, especially in the gaming scene. Facebook obviously didn't exist, and there was Mixer, but we all saw how Mixer went. So it wasn't like really the competition or the reason to not stream on Twitch. But now you've got the likes of YouTube, which is like the YouTube streaming and gaming side of things is growing so fast. Facebook gaming has kind of just swooped in and taken that place that Mixer had, and people on there are doing really well. So especially now in a market where everybody wants to be streaming, everyone would love to be playing games for a living. There's so much competition. To tie yourself into one platform kind of wasn't making sense to me. So because Twitch didn't allow this, I wanted to look into the idea of multi-streaming and streaming on multiple platforms and spreading myself out to as many places as I can, because that's how you grow. But obviously Twitch didn't allow that, and that was kind of the main reason, one of the major reasons that led me to terminating my contract. I was tying myself into Twitch, but I didn't really get anything in return. Nothing substantial for that exclusivity. And when it's your brand, where your brand lives is actually very valuable and should be important to you. So restricting yourself very early on, I felt wasn't the right move that I was doing. So I needed to change. Now, there was also other reasons. That was kind of the major one for me. I kind of went through and I looked, and this was also doing my own research and looking at other people's opinions, but I kind of went through and was like, right, I'm tying myself into Twitch. What do I get from Twitch for this affiliate contract? And is it worth it to me? Like, am I getting value out of it? Or would I be better off not being tied in and doing without those features or those things, whatever it is that Twitch is giving me? So the first major thing that everyone thinks of is affiliate means you get subs. Now, it means you have the ability to get subs, but it doesn't necessarily mean you're going to have subs. So easiest way to look at this, well, the way I looked at this was, for Twitch affiliate, you need an average of 3 viewers. So let's say you have 5 viewers, that's your average, you're at a 5 viewer average. You get a sub button. Now all those 5 viewers are very loyal, and they all sub to you. And they sub to you continuously. So that's 5 people, 5 subs. Now, you get $2.50 a sub, roughly. It's about 50% of the value of a sub. That works out to be $12.50 a month. Now, Twitch only pays you out when you reach $100. So to reach $100, you'd have to stream for 8 months, and those 5 viewers are going to have to stay sub to you for 8 months straight. I looked at that and I was like, okay, the amount of hours that I'm putting into streaming, which varied, but I was putting in a sizable amount at the time. I was like, this really isn't, to get that money, it's like $100 after 8 months of work, really isn't worth tying myself to Twitch. I could not have a sub button, just stream on Twitch, and if I had 5 viewers who wanted to sub to me but couldn't, then they could donate direct, and then I get the whole $5, and I get that same $100 in 4 months if they did it every month. So I kind of looked at it that way, and really, when you're starting out and the point at which you can get a sub button now on Twitch, it's so early, and you're tying yourself into Twitch as a platform so early on for pretty much no reward. Like, you don't get anything for potentially 8 months. That's a lot to bargain on for your brand to exclusively stream on Twitch, if that makes sense. So I kept going through the list. You have bits, but again, this is just Twitch's way of controlling donations. They're not really worth a lot, only in large amounts. As a small streamer, as a Twitch affiliate, you're probably not going to get large amounts of bits. Also, again, you have to wait for the payout. It all adds into that $100 payout. So you'd be waiting for that money, whereas they could just donate directly to you. Another big thing that I think streamers kind of have this misconception about, or new streamers, is they see YouTube, they see that YouTubers get lots of money off ads. And that's how they make a lot of money on YouTube, which is true. On YouTube videos, ads are great. They have a great system at YouTube, and people have learned how to work that system. Twitch didn't really have that. Twitch's ads aren't great at all. Especially as well for live content. People don't like ads on live content. Going back to my research and like Devin Nash and other things, it's been found that, so let me quickly explain. Twitch has an ad system that if you don't run regular ads during your stream, it will force pre-roll ads. So a pre-roll ad is when someone first clicks on your stream, they might get hit with a pre-roll ad before they can even watch. Now, it's been found that about 3 in 10 people, if they hit a pre-roll ad, will just skip it and go to a different stream. That doesn't sound like a lot, but when you only have 5 viewers, the first 3 people that click on your stream instantly dip because they don't want to watch a pre-roll. That's like you're almost getting another half of your viewership again. You're getting over half of your viewership again. So it's a big difference. So you're potentially going to ruin that first experience for some potential viewers just because you chose to tie into Twitch. Now, if you don't tie into Twitch, they don't put ads on your stream. See the benefit there? Now, there's loads of going on, like loads of people complaining about ads in different ways, and Twitch is trying to come up with a better system, I presume. But right now, it's just not there. And ads themselves on Twitch don't make you really any money at all. Ads was another big turn off for me. Now, there's a bunch of other little features as you go down the list, like channel points and being able to do polls and different things like that. Honestly, they're just gimmicky little things. As long as your content is good, people won't care about having channel points and being able to do stuff with them. And again, going back to you're tying your brand into Twitch for very little reward. Now, after doing all this and looking through it all and reflecting on what I was getting in return, I kind of just realized that I didn't want to be tied into Twitch. I wanted to stream on Twitch, but I didn't want to be so restrictive or be so restricted that I could only stream on Twitch. I really wanted to get into multi-streaming, which is what I've been doing ever since. All of this year so far, I've done multi-streams, and I stream on YouTube and Twitch at the same time. I think for my early days and trying to grow a brand from this, and obviously I'm doing a lot of other things other than streaming, like I'm making YouTube content, social media, all this other stuff, but for streaming, I personally, and I think there's a lot of proof behind it, but I personally think in the current market and how popular it is and how densely populated it is with streamers and people wanting to stream, you're going to have a bigger chance of success if you put yourself on multiple platforms, out to multiple different possible audiences, and then you can find where your audience lives. And I honestly think that more small streamers, like if you're only just starting to stream, if you've been streaming for a year, if you've been streaming as long as I have, and you're still a small streamer and you haven't really got anywhere, you really should be a bit more proactive on a different approach to the stream. If you want to, and if you're wanting to try and grow it. Some people are more than happy to be a small streamer, stream to just a few people and have Twitch affiliate. Great. You do you. Obviously, make this decision based on yourself, but this is what I did. I wanted to share my insight as to why I'm now multi-streaming and why I'm on YouTube and on Twitch at the same time. And a lot of people don't look at this and don't think about what they get in return for Twitch affiliate. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you're thinking of maybe doing the same. Let me know in the comments below. As for that, I will see you in the next video. Catch you later.